As of 2025, activating an unlocked phone on Verizon is streamlined, primarily using eSIM technology. An unlocked phone isn't tied to a specific carrier, letting it work on any compatible network. Verizon now supports eSIM activation for over 200 unlocked phone models from brands like Apple, Samsung, and Google. Physical SIM activations are still available, but eSIM is preferred for security and convenience. Key advantages include quick setup via the Verizon app and support for 5G standalone for faster speeds. Start by checking your phone's compatibility on Verizon's website using their Compatibility Checker tool. Ensure your phone supports Verizon's bands and runs Android 11 Plus or iOS 14 Plus for eSIM. To activate using eSIM, first download the Verizon app from your App Store. Once installed, scan the QR code provided by Verizon during the activation process. Follow the prompts in the app. The eSIM Quick Switch feature, introduced in early 2025, allows transferring data from a physical SIM to an eSIM within minutes. After activation, test your connection by making a call or using data. If issues arise, try resetting network settings or contact Verizon support, now available 24/7 with AI chatbots. Activation secures your phone on Verizon's network, enabling voice, data, and Wi-Fi calling. There's a one-time activation charge of $10 for prepaid plans, potentially waived for postpaid. eSIM is on the rise, so aim for this digital option for a smoother experience.